Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays with Venture Café Rotterdam. Today, 5 tips to being an awesome leader. 1. Holistic. Take a holistic view on challenges. 2. Adaptable. Be flexible and open to change. 3. Collaborate. Even with your competitors. 4. Empathic. Listen and really hear your team. 5. Human. Bring your personality to work. Want more details? Attend our sessions, which can be found at venturecaferotterdam.org. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. See you in the next video.